Tuesday, the 23rd November, and I'm walking up to my second flight lesson. So today we are going to further practice turns and climbs, and maybe actually today I'm also in charge of the takeoff. So let's see if if we're actually going to fly. So it's a beautiful sunny day, as you can see, no clouds at all whatsoever. However, there is a pretty strong wind right now. So, and because of the limitations towards students, where at the beginning these limitations are very tight, I would say, we might actually not fly today. So anyway, I prepared myself, did all the calculations in order to know exactly the takeoff weight and the fuel that we're going to use during this flight. But nevertheless, I'm ready. Let's see if the instructor also feels like that we are ready. So yeah. And my flight instructor felt that we were ready and good to go. Skyflight 556, I was in charge of the takeoff, and our takeoff took us over the shoreline to the north, where we started with our exercises. Turns, climbs, descents, different procedures, different engine settings. And just after about an hour, we were then on our way back to the airport. The airport reported at the time of landing around 15 knots of wind with gusting 25. So that's a very strong wind. And as you can see here, we are in the approach. And I handed over the controls then for the landing in these very, very gusty wind conditions to the flight instructor, and he did a fantastic job of getting us safely back onto the runway. So that was the second flight. Again, another day, very exciting today during daylight, bright daylight at the middle of the day. And it was very beautiful to see the scenery and the surroundings.